Here's a quick and easy way to make a bubble wrap dispenser. What you need is a piece of PVC pipe. You get this at Home Depot. Cut it down to about 26 inches. 2 PVC pipe fittings. Look something like this. 2 pieces of rope cut the same length, depending on how low you want your bubble wrap dispenser to hang. And of course the bubble wrap itself. Now the toughest part of this process actually is finding a place to hang it, so once you have that, you're pretty much set. First step, take the PVC pipe, place the fitting on one side, take the piece of rope, run it through, and hang it up on the first side. Your next step is to take the bubble wrap, place it through the pipe, take the fitting, put it on the other side, and do the same as you did on the first side. Run the rope through, and you're good to go. If it's a little unsteady, you could buy one of these bungee cords and just tie it up here, and on the other side it'll keep it in place. Trust me, it does the job. Thank you. Please visit www.asapsellsit.com.